मेरे प्यारे हिंदुस्तानियों, आज मैं खड़ा हूँ सेंट जेवियर स्कूल का बहुत ही सेक्रेट ग्राउंड पे, जहाँ पर हमारे रॉकेट लॉन्चिंग पैड का है। ये हमारा हिंदुस्तान का फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, 7, 8, 9, 10 रॉकेट लॉन्चिंग एरिया है हम लोग का।
Hello and welcome, everyone, to St. Xavier's School, Manus. I am your host for this very special episode. Arts and Science Exhibition 2026 for the students of St. Xavier's School, Manus. Today is a very special day for all of us. The Art, Craft and Science Exhibition 2026 is finally here, and the excitement is absolutely electric. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my channel. Give a like and let's get moving. The morning has blessed us with pleasant weather, not too hot, not too cold, perfect for our opening ceremony. And look around! Parents, guardians, and well-wishers have all gathered here. It's a full house. Day began with our morning assembly. And what a morning it was! The weather was so pleasant that it allowed all of us, students, teachers, parents, and guardians, to come together and participate in the assembly with full enthusiasm. There's something truly special about starting an important day with prayers, the school anthem, and that feeling of unity. This is what makes St. Xavier's different. We are not just a school, we are a family. We were truly honored to have with us our chief guest, Mr. Tony Baisumuteri, the principal of Adarsh High School, Gabardana. But what made his presence even more special was the story he shared with us today. Mr. Baisumuteri revealed something that touched everyone's hearts. He told us that he was once a student right here, under the guidance of our beloved principal, Father Thomas Silva. He spoke about his life experiences as a student at St. John, which is at Barama, on the national highway to Guwahati, the discipline, the values, the encouragement he received. He shared how Father Thomas taught him not just subjects, but life lessons, honesty, hard work, compassion, and the importance of serving others. Those lessons, he said, stayed with him and shaped the person and educator he is today. Can you imagine the pride our students felt seeing a former student return as a chief guest and principal of another school? It shows that we doesn't just educate children. We builds futures. We creates leaders. We also had the privilege of the presence of all the members of our managing board. Their presence here today is not just ceremonial, it is a testament to their commitment. These are the parents of our students who work tirelessly behind the scenes to support and guide the progress of our school. Seeing them here, among us, shows how deeply they care about every student and every initiative we undertake. Friends, and now, I have some incredible news that I know all of you have been waiting to hear. Our school has received its official recognition. This means that from now on, our students will be directly certified in their board examination certificates as students of St. Xavier's School, Bansbari, Baksa, Assam. This is a historic moment for all of us. It gives our students the identity and recognition they deserve. For every child who works hard, studies late into the night, and dreams big, your efforts will now carry the official stamp of St. Xavier's School. This is your moment. Be proud of it. Today was also the occasion to inaugurate two brand new facilities, our science laboratory and our library. These additions are going to transform the way our students learn. Our new science laboratory is equipped with everything our young scientists need to experiment, explore, and discover. No more just reading about science in textbooks. Now our students can actually do science. This hands-on learning will sharpen their analytical skills, fuel their curiosity, and prepare them for higher studies. And our library. Oh, what a beautiful space this is. Rows and rows of books, stories, encyclopedias, reference materials, novels. This is where imaginations will take flight. This is where knowledge will be sought and wisdom will be found. With these two new facilities, our students now have everything they need to become well-rounded, skilled, and knowledgeable individuals. A huge thank you to everyone who made this possible. Now, let's take a walk through the exhibition. We invited several schools from around the region to come and witness what our students have created. And let me tell you, our children did not disappoint. Each classroom was transformed into a gallery of creativity. Art and craft items of all kinds, paintings that tell stories, clay models that bring characters to life, crafts made from recycled materials, and so much more. And the science section, oh, the science section. Working models of solar systems, electrical circuits, water purification systems, and environment-friendly innovations. Just look at the confidence on our students' faces as they explain their projects. This is what the exhibition is all about, building confidence, encouraging creativity, and celebrating the joy of learning. The visiting ex-students and students from other schools and teachers from other schools were genuinely impressed. And for our students, seeing their work appreciated by others is a moment of immense pride. Friends, events like these are so important. They go beyond textbooks and exams. They teach our children to think, to create, to innovate. They show them that education is not just about memorizing facts. It's about exploring, questioning, and imagining a better world. And who knows, maybe some of the children standing here today will go on to become great scientists, artists, engineers, or innovators. Maybe one of them will discover something that changes the world. Maybe one of them will make it to the very top. That is the power of events like this. They plant seeds. And with the love and guidance of our teachers and parents, those seeds will grow into mighty trees. Before I sign off, friends, I want to say a huge thank you to every parent and guardian, ex-students and visitors from invited schools. You stood by our students as friends and encouraged them, and supported this event. A big round of applause goes to every educator who worked day and night to guide our students, to the managing board for their unwavering support, to our chief guest Mr. Tony Bay Cemetery for inspiring us with his story, and to Father Thomas Silva for his vision and leadership. This is St. Xavier's School, Manas, where dreams are nurtured, values are instilled, and futures are built. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and keep creating. Thank you all for witnessing the event. I am your friend, Tribal Study IQ.